soaked.
It looks like I'm crying, but I'm not. It's just
Had a shower.
Yeah, we just had a shower. It looks like I'm actually crying, but I'm not. We totally haven't been splashed by water in the River Rapids. We've had a shower. No, we got splashed by water and we went down the ginormous hill. Yeah, it was a drop and we got absolutely soaked. It keeps feeling like spiders are crawling down your legs, but it's actually wetness. Right, now we're going to a dinosaur. We're going to a dinosaur now. It's right there, so I'll be back to you. Yes. I'll be back to you when we're actually in the building. But it didn't work.
They do it on the system.
Dad, what is that in between my legs? Please follow us and subscribe and share with your friends our channel so we can hit our goal 1,500 followers. Anyway, yeah, bye. If you subscribe, thumbs up and comment, we love your videos, or comment something nice. We will give you a prize. And for the girl, what are you going to get? The girls' giveaways, you are going to get bath bombs, scrunchies, hair chalk, and sweets. And for the boy, you're going to get sweets, a football, and Toy Story toys. So now I think we're going to give the giveaway prizes out when we've got 1,000. Well, no, I mean when we've got 1,050 subscribers. So make sure you go and hit that subscribe button and we'll give you a giveaway. And a shout out for 1,000. And we're going to be doing a party for 1,000. And yeah, guys, we're going into the swimming pool now. We're going to film in the water. Yeah, at our Hotel Caribbean Beach Resort. If you don't know our name and you're looking to find out our YouTube, if you don't know our name, we're called the Cheerful Two. This is Scarlett. I'm Alicia. She is 8. I am 9. I can't wait to film underwater because we're going to show you jumping in. We're going to do roly polies in the water.
So you can't hurt me like you did before. Let me tell you, now because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. Don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling